Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Darwin here, about to do a chart breakdown for you guys. Well, a couple chart breakdowns for you guys, and showing you how you can use the BXY, also known as the Great British Pound Index, when it comes to trading the London session, and kind of taking advantage of that and knowing what's going on overall, so there's no more confusion when it comes to which way is the market going, or what kind of trend is this market in. And using the BXY, it affects major currency pairs such as the Euro USD and also its cousin GBP USD, also known as Great British Pound US Dollar. So, a couple of things I'm going to show you guys how you can compare the two, and guys, trade at your own risk. But this is just something that I use. This is not giving you any advice or anything on how to take a trade or anything like that. As you guys see in my previous videos that I post on here, I do show some of the moves and why I take the moves, and that's what I'm going to do in this video as well. So let's get this thing turned around, and we'll see you guys soon. So here we are looking at the BXY. As you guys can see, I am using TradingView.com to do this. TradingView is a great place to do all your technical analysis. Although some of the time is off from MetaTrader 4, unless you have like the Pro version, it will be on point. If not, price will be a little bit different, but overall it's the same moves, just a slight delay. But you could use this to do all your technicals. As you guys see, they have some bomb tools over here. And all of that, but that's not what this is about. That was just, if you guys want to use this platform, I do highly recommend it. It is pretty neat when it comes to like doing your chart analysis and stuff like that. So looking at the BXY, you guys can see this is the monthly. As you right here, you can click on the monthly. It means each one of these candles represents one single month. So looking at the monthly time frame, you can see this nice downtrend that is starting to form with a nice counter pullback, and then back into its normal trend, which is that downtrend. Now, the reason what I was saying earlier is using this as a second confirmation. If you can do your technicals, apply your technicals on here on the BXY. Let's just say you're using fibs, and you're going from this high point right here down into this low point, so point A into point B, and then you're getting your retracement at a 38.2%. Now, I want you guys to keep that in mind, 38.2%, and I want you to keep in mind of this exact same move, which we have a push down here, and we have a nice pullback here up into the 38.2, a little bit beyond, but nothing closed above it. So going in the trading view, you can use this little rectangle here, and you can split the screen. And as I split the screen, let me pull this one closer so you guys can see it here. Now I'm going to type in Euro USD over here, just because it's one of the main currency pairs. And let's go to the monthly on Euro USD. I have some markups to it, but looking at the monthly on Euro USD, it's similar, almost identical to the same stuff over here, just a tad bit off. Now, when I take my fibs here and I go from that high down into this low, it retraces deeper into more of the 50%, almost 61.8%. But you can see that the trend is the exact same overall. So as this thing is going bearish the whole entire month, so is EU as well. So if you can confirm that the trend is, in a downtrend over here on the BXY, you can go to pairs like Euro USD and see the exact same incline or decline depending on what the market is currently doing. Now just use this as a second confirmation. Don't like rely on it 100%. It's just like I said, I'm showing you something that has worked for me. And looking at, I'm going to go into lower time frames. On Euro USD, it'll be a lot more smoother looking at it on a lower time frame. And then when I go over here, it may look scattered because this is an index, so it's not going to be as smooth. It kind of gets treated like a stock, and stocks are ugly and choppy. So you guys see right here on the H4 on this one, it's like I said, it's a bit choppy, but you guys see overall it has that same kind of look. Double top here with a nice wick, double top here with a nice wick, as a retest in the same kind of area, and then boom, it's just been on a massive downfall. Same thing that happened here. As you guys see, it came from a current push down. Right here, same thing, came from a current push down. So it's kind of like there's a lot of similarities between the two, and that is just looking at the Euro USD. Now let's go over here to GU. And we're back on the monthly. Let's go over to the monthly here and see, boom, pretty much the same thing. Now this one may be more on the 38.2 retracement. And yeah, voila, it is. And it's pretty much identical because this is an index of the British pound. So British pound versus US dollar has the almost identical same effects, same exact move. So I mean, that is key. If you can analyze this BXY and then come over here and analyze Great British Pound versus the US dollar, and you're getting the same exact effects, same identical candles. So I mean, now don't, just because something works one time doesn't mean it will work all the time in this market. As you guys see, for those that have been trading, things can switch up at any moment, and it does often when you least expect it. There's nowadays, like, you're seeing double tops that used to play out, they're no longer playing out like they once played out. It's taking them a lot longer to develop, or they're happening a lot quicker and stuff like that, or they're just failing all in all. So you guys got to take caution of that. But this is a nice, powerful tool that you can use, and just do your own due diligence on it. I didn't want to make this video too long, but just to show you guys how that things break down. Overall, let's look at this on the H4 too. We already did that. But make sure, same make sure. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace.